Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your friends list private on your Steam profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can view your gaming activity, achievements, and public information. Now that you're on your profile page, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice an option that says Edit Profile. Click on it to access your profile customization settings. This is where you can modify various aspects of how your profile appears to others on Steam, including your display name, avatar, background, and importantly, your privacy settings. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, turn your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a vertical menu with different customization categories. One of these options is Privacy Settings. Click on it to open the Privacy Configuration panel. This section is crucial because it controls who can see different parts of your profile and gaming information. In the Privacy Settings panel, navigate to Friend List. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and a list of privacy options will appear. From the available choices, select Private. This setting ensures that only you can see who's on your friends list, keeping that information completely hidden from other Steam users. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain your privacy and prevent strangers or even acquaintances from seeing who you're connected with on the platform. And that's it, you've now configured your Steam profile so that your friends list remains completely private. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.